Hi guys, welcome back to the last episode of the Seoul Diaries. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ryme. I'm a solo traveler currently backpacking across Asia during my gap year, and this week marks my final days in Seoul, which makes me so sad, but I have so many activities planned for this last week and I'm excited to take you with me. I really hope you'll enjoy this vlog, and don't forget to subscribe for more traveling vlog like this one. I spotted this cafe on my way to the hostel. The display was insane, so many cakes. Cafe culture in Korea is seriously next level, and I was intrigued by this bright orange cake and asked the barista what it was, and she said cheese, so I thought it would be cream cheese. But no, it was cheddar. A cheddar cake. And I know I probably could have figured it out before ordering since she literally told me it was cheese. But still, like, cheddar in a cake? Honestly, that's something I've noticed here. Korea loves mixing sweet and salty in ways you don't expect. But this I wasn't on board with this one, I'm sorry. Anyways, after editing for a bit, I went for a walk around Hongdae and grabbed lunch at a Thai restaurant. I got a beef stir fry that was really good but spicy. And later that day, I met up with a friend. We went to this cafe in Sinchon called the Pie Hole. And again, Korea's cafe game is just wild. My second day back in Korea was honestly one of my favorites because I took a Korean cooking class. We started at Selim Market.
We went to the convenience store and bought a cup noodle. When I was in middle school, almost every day girls flocked to tteokbokki place every day after class. We had the great heavy snow. Yeah, tangerine. And tangerine grows only in Jeju Island. Pancake, really good. We always like to eat this kind of pancake whenever it rains. On a rainy day, everybody says, I want to eat pancake. Oysters grow. We paid like a 10,000 won. It was like a bucket of oysters.
전 안 먹어도 되니까 4개로 잘라주세요.
미터.
It's not everyday side dish.
I've always loved cooking, but I'd never really thought about taking a class while traveling, and now I would totally recommend it. It teaches you so much about a country's culture and history just by looking at the ingredient they use and the way that people cook. The whole experience felt so wholesome, and the best part is that you get to eat everything you make. Then I went on a little mission. I don't know if you've seen the show Cook Wars on Netflix. It's a cooking show, but survivor type. In one of the episodes, this chef named Napoli Mafia made a dessert, and CU launched a limited edition of the Moran tiramisu. So of course, I had to try and find it, and I did. And it was good. Maybe a little too sweet for me, but it was fun to hunt down. After that, I headed to Myeongdong, which is actually where I first stayed when I arrived in Korea. I stopped by Olive Young, of course, for the last time, which is a good thing because I've spent way too much money there. But I totally get the hype now. I was going there almost every other day just to look around. I'll do a little haul after this, by the way. Afterwards, I stopped by New. It was a huge wholesale accessory shop, and finally I met up with some friends for my very first Korean barbecue. It was so good. It was the perfect way to wrap up this day of good food. So I bought quite a lot. For the hair, first of all, I bought the shampoo, conditioner, and hair oil from an Ouv. And then I got, so it came in this pack, and it was the Dr. For Hair scalp pack, and it's basically an exfoliant, and it's really good actually. Also bought the Perfect Serum. It's very popular in Korea. From Japan, I also bought this Tsubaki mask. It's really good if you have low porosity hair. My hair felt so soft after using it. There's also the more nourishing version that I tried, and it's really good. So I would really recommend. This is all that I bought for my hair. So for sunscreens, I bought these two. Korea has like a lot of different base sunscreen, and these two were like the most popular, so this one is really good. This one is good as well, but I think this one suits my skin a little more. I bought COSRX pH Good Morning Cleanser that is very popular. I bought this one again, Doctor Cleanser from Round Lab. I already have this one and it's really good and gentle. And then I bought their toner to try it as well. I bought so many masks. I feel like every time that I would go to Olive Young, I bought like new masks. I bought the Torden ones. I bought so many Mediheel. I also bought in Japan pimple patches, but they're not really good. But I bought literally so many masks because they were so cheap as well. So yeah, this is all that I bought. Hi guys, good morning. We're off for the day. I only have 2 days left in Seoul, which is kind of crazy. I feel like I've been here for so long, and it's crazy to think that I'm gonna leave Korea soon. But yeah, I feel like I've been quite lazy the past few days. I always get like this at the end of the trip, but I just feel like I'm going back home, so I don't know, I just can't be productive. Anyways, there's still so much to do, and so I really want to enjoy these last few days, and yeah, I'll take you with me. I grabbed a cookie and headed back to Myeongdong for some shopping and went to this huge 12-story high Daiso. Daiso is honestly one of my favorite shops that I've been to in Korea. They have so many different things and it's so affordable. Then I went back to the 88 pounds cafe to try another one of their cakes, and this one was so good, no cheese in it. I headed to the Starfield Coex library and it was so gorgeous. It had this just Christmas decor going on and it was really amazing. Okay guys, I'm currently in the Coex Starfield library and it's so beautiful. Like, the Christmas decorations are just so cute. So I think I've stayed for a bit, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna try to see the Gangnam style sculpture. And yeah, it's really cold. It's incredibly cold. Like the past 3 days, the temperature dropped, and it's like, I don't know. So I stayed at the library longer than I expected. Oh my god. But yeah, it's so cold, you guys. But at the same time, it's kind of fun, like seeing all the Christmas decor and being inside, especially. But yeah, so let's go. Guys, it was freezing, but I ended up staying there for a while. The music, the whole setup, it was just so entertaining and weirdly fun. One thing that I really wanted to do, but didn't plan ahead before the cold hit, was eat ramen by the Han River. So I went to Yeoudo Park, grabbed ramen from the convenience store, used the little machine to heat it up, and sat by the river. Guys, it was so cold, but it was so worth it. The view of Seoul from the Han River is so beautiful. The city is huge, and I don't think I fully realized how big it was until I was sitting here watching it all stretch out in front of me. One thing that I love about Seoul is there isn't one city center. Each neighborhood has its own little vibe, its own little world. My hands were almost deceased at the end of this. For my last day in Korea, I wanted to do something really special, something that I had been looking forward to since the very beginning of my trip. So I decided to rent a hanbok, which is a traditional Korean clothing, and visit Gyeongbokgung Palace. I rented my hanbok at Daehan Hanboks. They had so many beautiful options. The quality was really nice from what I could tell. Honestly, I felt like a princess walking through the city in it. One really cool thing is that if you wear the hanbok to the palaces, you get free entry. So a lot of people were dressed up, which made the whole experience even more magical. It was freezing though. The lake in the palace garden was frozen and I didn't bring a jacket. So my hands were slowly dying, but it was still an incredible last day and I had so much fun. But being a solo traveler, I had to ask a stranger to take pictures of me, which can be stressful.
Move on, maybe walk around, turn around.
I mean, I didn't have to, but my mom needed a picture, so I powered through. Literally bought so much, and I did try to be responsible because I don't have that much space left in my luggage. Like the most random things. Well, first of all, there was these socks that were really cute. I love them. I bought like this sifter for my matcha, but it was only like 1,050 ones. So like these little ceramic spoons for like ramen, a little thing for like your hand and your typing or doing stuff. I'm not sure what resistance band. I got like a few bowls, a hairbrush, these sticks to make bracelets, like a suitcase thing because I don't have anything for my backpack for when I go backpacking, so I bought this because it was just 1,001. So yeah, I'm so happy though about everything that I bought. So definitely more like home things that I bought there. There were like so many things that I wanted to buy, but I was like, no, I can't. Like the yoga mats, girl, even though it was not expensive, I'm gonna start packing now. Guys, I'm literally so happy. I booked a private room for tonight that's near the airport. Look at this. This is luxurious, guys. I have my own private bathroom. Oh my god, this is actually the first night that I'm gonna spend. No, actually, no. The first 2 nights I spent by myself, but I had to share a bathroom. Oh my god, look, I have my own washing machine. Like, how crazy is that? I'm low-key sad it's like the last night and that I have to wake up super early tomorrow. Okay guys, so I just finished packing my suitcase. I really hope that it's not gonna be over the speed limit. The speed limit, what the fuck? The weight limit. I want a smooth day tomorrow, and I hope I really don't like give myself the eye. But Christmas is coming, so I know that it's gonna be packed. I just know it. I just hope that the seat next to me will stay empty. Yeah, that's my wish. I should really go to sleep right now because I have to wake up in like 5 hours to go to the airport. I'm actually going to the business lounge because I want a coupon, and because I got it for free, I want to enjoy it as much as I can. So I'm gonna go extra early also to make sure that my suitcase isn't like over the weight limit because I'm not paying any extra thing, hopefully, because actually I bought a lot. So let's just hope that it all works out. But yeah, I am so tired. I really want to go to sleep. It's really nice having a room by myself. Except for Japan, I've stayed only in hostels. It's so weird thinking that I'm going back home. I don't know, it's crazy. I've grown so used to Korea. It's only been like a few weeks and I feel like I don't know, I got used to it, and so it feels weird going back home and leaving this place. Like, I don't really realize it. To me, it's like, I don't know. Also, I'm not realizing that I'm gonna travel for like 14.5 hours on the plane. Don't have any layover, which is good, but I also will spend 14.5 hours in the same plane. Like, that's crazy. Anyways, this was so much fun, you guys. Like, I loved filming that trip and just doing this and editing it and sharing it, I guess. It feels so weird that it's over, at least like this arc of my trip, and it's just like I feel very grateful. I feel very grateful for the month that I've spent here. It was filled with amazing memory and discoveries, and I really loved it. I loved it. I loved being by myself, traveling again, excited for what's to come next, but I'm also really sad to leave this place. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, bye.
What the hell?
Christmas is
What the
coming,
hell
so
he-
I know that it's
What the hell, auntie?
packed. I just
What the
know
hell are you on?